welcome back to another video. So we are looking at Tasha Cobbs For Your Glory. Okay, so the song was done in the key of G sharp, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, so let's dive in. Doing this. So what is that? That is do mi. Okay, then this chord. The left hand is doing the B flat and the G. Okay, B flat G. Right hand is doing the B flat, D and J. Okay, so I'm doing the mi. Okay, just that I'm voicing a different way. So I'm doing the mi and mi. Right hand is doing the re so do. Okay, so okay, then here I'm doing altered chord, the same do mi. Okay, but here I'm voicing a different way. Okay, so what is that? So okay, so that this is G, C, D and G over the E flat. Okay, so to over to, then do, then I'll do this. Okay, so what is that? The D, the F, G, A. Right hand is doing the C, D, E, A. Okay, but you can flip like that. Okay, then we'll do a voicing here like this. Okay, so what is that? That is here. I'm doing the G, F. Right hand is doing the B flat, C and F. Okay, then I'll flip. So from this, I'm doing the B flat. Right hand is doing the A, D, E, A. Okay, but I'm flipping from the D to the E. Okay, so then I'll do this. So that is Tila, Fi. Okay, then okay, so one more time. So then I'm doing B flat on the left. Right hand is doing the C sharp, F, G, B flat and C sharp. Okay, in the song you hear that there was a particular arpeggio they did. It's like a run going up. Okay, one of the things is that maybe the keyboard that they are using, you see that the octaves is small, so they can do then when they reach to the destination chord, they will do the flip. Okay, but when you use the Yamaha, it's not all, because when the chords are here, you can't play more than that. Okay, so you can choose to do this. When you play this, then you can start from maybe here. Then you start the song. Do you see it? So one more time, let's go from that side. This one you can even do it from down here. I'm just showing you the arpeggio they did. Okay, so that is this one. So that is do, re, fa and Z. Okay, so the F, G, B flat, C sharp. So that is what they used to run the arpeggio. Okay, so you can even start from here. When you reach here, this way it changes. They did. Okay, that is so Z, so far. Okay,